cow is a farm animal. A cow has four legs, two ears, and two horns on the head. The cow gives us milk. Cow milk is good for health. Cow skin is used for making leather. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow sound is called. Cow live in groups. They eat grass and other vegetables. Cow drinks a lot of water. Cow can live for 25 years.